If your microphone or audio isn't working in TeamViewer, you might not hear sound from the remote computer, or your voice may not transmit during a session. Yeah, this can happen because of audio settings, device permissions, or driver issues. But the good news is there are several quick fixes that usually solve the problem. First, check the sound settings on both computers. Make sure the correct speaker and microphone devices are selected in the system audio settings. Next, make sure sound transmission is enabled inside TeamViewer. Sometimes the option for computer sound or VoIP audio is turned off in the session settings. If your microphone still isn't working, check your system's privacy permissions. Windows may block apps from accessing the microphone unless permission is enabled. Another quick fix is restarting the TeamViewer application. Temporary audio glitches or background service issues can sometimes block sound transmission. Outdated audio drivers can also cause problems with remote sound or microphone input. Updating the drivers often resolves compatibility issues. Finally, make sure both computers are running the latest version of TeamViewer. New updates often fix bugs related to audio and VoIP communication, and that's it. One of these fixes usually restores microphone and audio functionality in TeamViewer. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.